What's up guys, and yeah, good morning. So just about to head to the track. Another day at Red Sand, going to be good. It's a little bit the same every time at the vlog when I'm here in the Red Sand, because yeah, the routine is the same, but yeah, also the day is always different. Something different happens, so I will continue to do this even though the videos are quite the same, but I hope you enjoy it anyway. So yeah, let's go to the track now, and let's hope for a good day. My dad is heading home today, so that's why I have the rental car, bring it to him. Pelle has dirty socks, so he needs to take them off before he go in the camper, because it's white. Looking to be a great day today. Again, always great in Spain. So then we are at the track, ready to get changed. Not sure how I will do it today, but maybe we'll try something new. And we are all changed, ready to go riding. Let's go. So good day at the track done, so let's get changed and go cycling now. Coolt. Nice bike ride, Russ. So back at the Holton now. Was a good cycling. Was also a good day of riding today. We started out with some time practice, which had the fastest time, then 2 session trainings of 45 minutes, and then time practice in the end. I improved my time by 1.4 seconds I think, so overall a great day and a great end to it with some cycling. Now the plan is just relax, play some COD, eat some food, and get ready for another day tomorrow. So see you guys then. Good morning, and yeah, don't think I have anything more to say, so let's go. Going to bike down from the track today also. It's going to be good. Then we are on our way to the track. By the way guys, some of you have requested a Q&A, so comment below some questions with and tag Q&A, and I will yeah, make a video at the hotel when I'm not doing anything else. Let's go riding now. So not a very good day, feel really tired and sore in all my body, so we decided to stop. But yeah, now I have a little bit time to film Pelle in his 85 bike, so let's make an edit of that instead.